Thank you so much for your input, team. Well, moving on, it's time for Notable Timelines, where we remind you of who, what, and where. Today, we celebrate the First Lady of Anambra State, Dr. Nonye Soludo, following her recognition as the Health Activism Award winner at the 2026 BudgIT Active Citizens Awards. Now, this award honors her contributions to preventive healthcare and community wellness through the Healthy Living with Nonye Soludo initiative, which has championed maternal and child health, nutrition education, environmental sanitation, fitness campaigns, and other grassroots health programs all across Anambra State. Dr. Nonye Soludo received this award after trumping other nominees in an assessment of innovation, measurable impact, sustainability, leadership, and community outcomes. Receiving the award, she dedicated the honor to healthcare workers, to volunteers, to community leaders, and to all residents of Anambra State, describing it as renewed motivation to expand her public health advocacy. This recognition reinforces the growing role of community-driven healthcare initiatives in improving our public health, and it highlights how sustained grassroots interventions can make a lasting impact beyond government policies. Amazing, amazing work. We love to see a First Lady working and looking after the people. Before I hand over to my very capable team, I'd love you, yes you, watching back home, to please chime in on this segment with the tag Trending Now TVC. I would love to hear your thoughts. Now, team, in his studies and philosophies of power, the writer Michael Foucault describes soft power as sometimes being even more imminent and forceful and influential than hard power. And I believe that is what all First Ladies should possess, a sort of softness and clairvoyance to see what's going on in their world and go to the grassroots and those who need help the most, to be nurturing. And she's now won an award for it. I believe every First Lady of every state could take a page out of Dr. Nonye Soludo's book.
Yes, I really love what she's doing, and I think she deserves the award, you know, and the people she dedicated the award to just shows you that she is more interested in the well-being of the people, not politics and all that. So I congratulate you a whole lot. I love what you're doing. Touch the people more, and whatever you're doing is rubbing up on your husband politically. It definitely is rubbing up on your husband politically. Well done, and congratulations.
First of all, a very big congratulations to Dr. Nonye Soludo. I am so inspired by this particular woman. And Olamide, the saying now says that beside every successful man, there is actually a powerful woman, because these women were not at the back anymore, we're just beside this man. And to see the beautiful work she's doing in healthcare, for me, it just stands out. And when we talk about her, we know that she's been promoting healthy nutrition and local foods, maternal health and children's health, women empowerment, which is something that is very important. Also, environmental sustainability. We can go on and on about her achievements. This is beautiful to see that she's not just the First Lady, but she's the First Lady actually making, a point. Her legacy will never be forgotten. And I believe and I hope that other First Ladies actually take cue from this. As a First Lady, you're not just to sit down. There's so many things you can do to actually impact people in that state. And it's just fantastic to see the great work that she's doing. A very big congratulations to her. This is actually very well deserved.
Absolutely. Tijesu Shomomo, I believe this is welcome news, and it does also send a political message. The First Lady should care about the state and what happens to the people in it.
Well, indeed, Olamide, you said it all. Governance is not just about building bridges and fancy structures. Also, welfare is important, how people feel, how people receive. And to see that, she also got, an award for, this health award shows that, it's not just about those fancy infrastructures. Absolutely. The welfare of the people matter, the health matter, lifestyle matters. All those encompass into what governance truly means. And to see that she's supporting her husband in this regard really, sends a very clear message to all First Ladies around there, irrespective, not just the First Ladies. If you find yourself in a place of leadership, also set a good example. So I would say congratulations to Dr. Nonye Soludo on this award.
Yeah, let me join others to celebrate Dr. Nonye for this award, her commitment to community, her commitment to to healthcare in various remote areas. But beyond that, she's the wife of a politician. I also hope that other individuals, other private individuals that are not wives of politicians, are not politicians, and that have these commitments and to the grassroots, to community development, to healthcare will also be recognized. And someday also we'll be able to celebrate them on this platform.
Exactly. And Olamide, it says that we beautiful women, when we put our mind on something, Tijesu as well, whatever we put our mind, we definitely get to achieve it. Once again, a very big congratulations to Dr. Nonye Soludo. We'll forever celebrate you. Olamide, thank you so much.
You are welcome,
fantastic stories to end this beautiful Friday morning. Now, Nigeria, I am sure you had a fantastic time with us on the show this morning. It's very important that I let you know that the views and reactions of our resource persons are theirs, and they have no connection whatsoever with TVC. Now, your view is very important to us. So up next is your view with the beautiful ladies. And just after that, we'll give you This Morning with Yori Falari. Not to worry, Etoma will see you tomorrow bright and early. But I'll see you on Monday. Good morning, Nigeria.